Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the intro of today's video, there's been a suggestion by Big Mark on the Silver Forum that the channel should be changed to 365 days of no silver. Now, like I said in my previous video that I uploaded yesterday, and I will leave a link to that video in today's description, I will still be unpackaging new pieces of silver, so rest assured you will still be seeing new pieces of silver unboxed every single month. I'm just stripping back on any future purchases. Now, like I said, I am still going to make one final purchase, and that will be made from the Silver Forum, from a suggestion from the post that I put on there yesterday. And I'm really excited to see what piece that I end up picking, because there's been some really nice suggestions on that post now. Someone has recently suggested some really old kind of historic coins. So that is definitely a strong possibility. Something like that might be really interesting to showcase on the channel. But like I said, there will still be plenty of silver for you to see on the channel. It is purely a whole year of me not buying any more new purchases, but don't forget I have got a huge stack of precious metals, so I will be rotating the backdrop, and I will still be adding in the form of the unboxings that have not yet been unboxed. And like I said, this is just a small handful of them. I currently have, I think, 14 or 15 parcels ready to unpackage, so really excited to start that ball rolling of 365 days of no spending. Now, that will start officially on the 31st of October once I make my final purchase from the Silver Forum, and then we'll have a whole year until we start making more investments towards precious metals. So I'm really excited to see how it goes. I really hope that 2024 doesn't see a huge drop in silver prices, because I'm going to try and stick to my decision, but at the same time it's going to be very hard to stick to that decision if we have a huge drop in the spot price of silver. Now, I have predicted there's going to be quite a large drop in 2024, because that's the way I see the economy going. That's the way I see things panning out to head towards in 2024. I think a lot of money will filter into crypto, and therefore there'll be a lot less going into other assets. So it is a bit of a shame that I've chosen to do it for this year, but it's now or never. I want to take a year out to build up some funds, to get some funds behind me. Now, you can see I haven't got my normal whiskey in today's video, and that is because it is about 8 AM in the morning here in the UK. So I've actually gone for a caramel latte, believe it or not. Now, I know the Stack Collector will definitely approve of this beverage, because that is one of his favourite hot drinks to drink. But let's have a little sip and see how it tastes. My first time trying a home brewed caramel latte. Actually really nice. Very nice indeed. So it looks like I'm a bit of a changed man. I'm not making any more fresh silver purchases, and now I've switched out whiskey for caramel latte. I don't know what's happened. I might need to have a cold shower and rethink my life. But yeah, just a quick kind of update video. Thanks very much for all the support. Thanks for all the comments, all the shares, all the subscribers. I really do appreciate it. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.